Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful recycling ideas. Recycle bottle, recycle craft. It is very necessary for our earth. It is good for our planet. So we need to do that, and we should have to do very beautiful craft. And this video is right here, and you are at right place, and you can getting best ideas from this video. Hope you like the designs and ideas. So make some craft and ideas, artistic word. So this video gonna show you how beautifully setting, how beautifully decorate you mason jars, old jars, recycle your old bottles, and you can make trash, you can turn trash into treasures. So this video gonna show you very beautiful ideas. Take some burlaps, take some glue, hot glue, painted jute rope, jute craft, add some green grass, and easily available in market, and make some cherries. So it's gonna help you more and more to craft your, decorate your bottles or jars and make a craft easy. So this video is for especially for you, and it's gonna make your desk very beautiful and elegant. And centerpiece, you can make centerpiece. So I hope you like the all ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We will try to upload best and beautiful ideas, best and beautiful designs. So this video take you the world of crafting. Show you very beautiful ideas of recycle, eco-friendly bottle and jars ideas. So in this video we're gonna show you, and we try to bring for our viewers and subscriber very amazing and creative ideas of bottles and jars. Both are we thrown away, we thrown it with, and doesn't know where it gone. So one plastic bottle or one trash bottle is stayed in ocean almost many years, and it is unhealthy for our planet and ocean. So we don't do this, we should not do this, we did not do anything. People's don't encourage this type of things. We try to make something different with these bottles, and this is the best idea, this is the eco-friendly idea to get some bottles and make recycle it. So you can recycle the bottles, recycle these with some tips we try to give you some tips, like you have to take something, some different things like ribbons, green grass, burlap, jute craft, jute rope, some glitter, paint. So everybody has this type of things, and everybody have already these things at home. So take your things, take your crafters, hey crafters, start your craft and take take the idea from these. And we are trying to bring very beautiful and amazing ideas. So thank you for watching, and we just for our viewers show you the best and beautiful ideas. In this video the bottles are very beautiful. You can make centerpiece with this type of bottles, and as you can watch in this video, take bottle, add some fairy lights, add cinnamon, add some ribbon, grass, and you can make many types of thing with these jars, like candle holder, pencil holder, lantern, and many things you can do with these types of bottle, as you shown in this picture, as you shown in this video. So hope you like these designs and ideas, hope you like the videos, and we try to bring the best and beautiful videos for our viewers. So this is a season for something doing special, something to do different. So as well, we are trying doing something different. You should make some different craft in this season, like you can take bottles and jars, collect bottles and jars and recycle them, wash them, dry them, and soak in almost 15 minutes so stickers are thrown. So after that we take this, clean it, dry it, and take some burlap or jute craft. After that wrap the neck with jute rope, add some cinnamons, add some grass, add some cherries, red colors, and add some fairy lights with it. Put some fairy lights and place some candle or something else what do you